everyone in Thailand's really nice. Everyone in Laos is a bit.
It's bad.
Yeah, no, not bad, but like not very nice.
Right.
Smile, just smile,
Right.
just smile. I've got a stinking headache. Definitely don't drink before you go on tour, lads, because in the morning you are dying. And obviously, mate, one thing I've noticed that I might need to get a coat because the wind here is cold. Like the wind in Thailand was fine, but the wind here is freezing cold, and I'm shaking. So hopefully, when we go off the boat and there's no wind, I should warm up, but yeah, I definitely need a coat because obviously it rains a lot. Yeah, definitely warm there. Yeah, we're nearly at the waterfalls or the cave, and hopefully it's amazing. Hopefully it's worth it, and then I'll go back to the hostel, get something to eat, probably get a burger again because it's so cheap, and then just figure out what I'm gonna do. And then tomorrow I might rent a bike again. Hello. I know I fell off last time, but I didn't just strike twice, hopefully, touch wood. Yeah, and then I'll go to do all the heritage sites, like all the temples and stuff like that. And then I'll probably leave. I was going to stay here for a couple more days, but there's nothing really to do here, to be fair. Unless you spend like £90 on a tour, and so I'm not going to do that again. So, yeah. But first impression of Laos is not good. Like, obviously, I could change my mind. Like, I've met a lot of people. It's just maybe my expectations in Thailand is just way better. So it's just unfair to judge Laos, but Thailand was amazing, honestly. 10 out of 10. We're getting off the boat now. I don't know where we're going, but mate, the wind is. When the boat's going, it's freezing cold. Thank God, I just hope it stays like this all day, and then I don't get absolutely soaked. It's a lot warmer, way warmer.
54 families. There are about 700 people. And the villagers here rely on agriculture and tourism.
Cheese maker. Oh, they got more than me.
Outdoor.
Is that? I'll stick with the
How do you say?
Literally whiskey.
Okay, everybody will drink together.
Just gotta knock it back.
Just in case I'm sick, I'm just gonna go over here. I'm already hungover. Yeah.
Just gonna help.
Yeah.
Help this.
Hair of the dog.
Literally smells like whiskey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ugh. It's actually, that really smells like the drink I had the other day, which was rice wine. Yeah.
I'm gonna get methanol poison in it, am I?
No. It's all natural.
Come job. Here. Yeah, come job. Come
Okay, no. It just smells like. It just smells strong.
Another one.
Come job.
Cheers.
You're an alcoholic.
Oh, it burns. Oh. No,
Is that like
not always.
paint stripper?
No,
Yeah.
Coffee.
no. I'll be sick.
Throw in the bush.
I'll be sick. Where do I pay for it? Where do I pay? How much?
20,000.
20, perfect. Hey, what's it? Oh, that's a bit sus. Oh, these are nice. If you've got any coats, I'll buy a coat, but... Reminds me of India. This is literally India. Oh, these are nice. Sorry, I can't remember last night. Oh, I was that drunk. Where are you from, boys? Where are you from?
Atlanta.
Atlanta. Canada. Where are you from?
Hello.
Hello. No, I get to call you because you're on our side of the court. So.
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
London. Oh, you're from. Where are you from?
Ireland.
Ireland. I like you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where you guys? Ireland. I like Ireland. Bowling. I lost two girls at bowling. I was shocking. Notice I was about to swear then, and then I stopped myself because my mum and dad said stop swearing, so I've got to like oblige. Yeah. I'm literally in the back alley. Doggy! 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 Hey doggy! Hey doggy! Hey doggy! Oh, what are you doing? That's interesting. Hey doggy! Hello. They do this in India. Yeah, very, very good. Where to now? Where are we going now?
Yeah, you can get
Where?
You can back to the boat.
Yeah, but are we going to the caves or the waterfall? Or?
Cave.
Cave, perfect.
Waterfall after lunch.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. So if you can get that, we're going to cave now. Get some pictures in the cave. Then have lunch because I need lunch. I'm going to eat the whole fucking thing. And then we go to the waterfall, get the main pictures. I'm going to do my little pose. And then go back and then probably explore LUANG PRABANG a bit more. And then, yeah. Do you reckon there's a lot of ladyboys in Laos? Probably. Might not be nice to do this.
Hello, Sabaidi. So how did you feel after drinking happy water? Happier, right? So would you like more happy water?
No.
Yeah, I have some for you. So ladies and gentlemen, the next journey is a Paku Cave. Please say together Paku Cave. Say again Paku Cave. Paku Cave. Pak means mouth. U is the name of the river. The cave name of the U river. So, do you know that when you come to LUANG PRABANG, you shouldn't miss two places, cave and waterfall. And if you miss them, it means you never arrive here. Yeah. The cave and waterfall is opposite side. The cave is in the north, waterfall is in the south. LUANG PRABANG, your hotel is in the middle, right? And from LUANG PRABANG to the caves is about 25 kilometers. And if you go to the cave by solo boat, it takes about 2 hours. By boat is more relaxing. You can see beautiful landscape like today.
So we're to the cave and let's see what this cave's all about. Is it as good as the caves I've already seen? Especially the one in I think it's Gold State then. I think Chiang Mai. So yeah, it looks alright. Looks like a hole in the rock there. Yeah. Let's go in there, let's go on the boat, let's go in there. omhoog?
Ja.
Doggy. Doggy.
You said it changes.
It's literally just a cave. Nah, Chiang Mai was definitely better, 100%. I'm going to go check the smaller cave, or not the smaller but the lower cave, and see if that's better. Hopefully it's better, because this space is just a cave. I've only came here for the waterfall. Oh, they're dirty. Are they dirty? You couldn't see this place without a tour, so it is worth it. Like, you have to do it, but is it worth £40? I don't think so, but that's what it is. I've got the money, and yeah. This is up a, why is it always steps? Stop swearing, Jack. Why is it always steps? Sweating out the alcohol, it's always good for you when you do these tours. Any other cave? Okay, you're probably not going to be able to see me. But yeah, got a bit of hard. My stamina's getting worse. The more alcohol I drink. Yeah, 100% better than the lower cave. Okey.
Wiadomo, że tutaj podchodzi pod skarpetki, ale jakby takie...
Then we did like a 10-mile hike.
Yeah, so those are the caves. Not very interesting, but you gotta, if you come to LUANG PRABANG, you gotta go. But yeah, I think we got a buffet lunch now, which is gonna be good because I'm starving and I'm hungover. And then then the main attraction is the waterfalls. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably at the buffet, and then after the waterfalls we came for a buffet. Now I'm seeing an elephant. Yeah, so just came back from the caves, had a buffet and saw this bad boy. And now we're going to the waterfalls, about an hour and 15 minutes, and then do the waterfall, maybe swim, and then head back to the hostel and just chill, and probably go to a bar and just chill, because I haven't chilled yet since I've been here. So yeah, look at this bad boy. Still hungover. It's not right, mate. Still hungover, guys. But see, I'm not sober now. Oh,
The bears.
there's a bear.
Yeah, bears. What is that? Is a
Gopher. It's a bear. Man like a black bear. Yeah, so I'm just gonna explore the waterfall, show you a little bit, and just relax basically, because I've got a massive headache.
Okay, hold on. This way, hello. VIP people are coming. You can see
Yeah, actually, yap this guy.
my uncle.
He'll have to touch me as well. Oh, please, Popo.
Ôi, cho mình chào bên này nó đi nó. Biết mà xin cao xin lắng này nó còn đi nó. Okay, one more time. Okay, stick together.
One more time. Random Tuesday afternoon at this waterfall in Laos, when everyone else is working back home. What is my life, man? Bloody hell. It's nuts, man. And now I'm gonna f***ing go to the view. And why is it always stairs, man? Why can't there be a lift or a stair lift? Listen, I've had this headache all day. It's my own fault, like stop drinking. That's an easy solve. But yeah, these are a lot easier to be fair. These steps are a lot easier. I'm gonna go see this viewpoint and then quickly come down and have a little bit of a swim. And then yeah, the waterfall's amazing, honestly. So glad I did it. It's made the trip 100% worth it. Yeah, boys and girls, if you girls, or it could be both. You never know.
Daddy, chill.
This day and age. That's a joke, by the way. Don't cancel me. I feel like I'm gonna get cancelled more of the time. Oh, for?
I gave up.
Oh, you gave off.
I gave up. He's going now.
Oh, that's not a good sign if you gave up. No listening, kids. Oh, even more. What the hell? I'm gonna have a swear jar, I reckon. made it. 542 steps. 542. $30.
This is for zip lining.
Oh, zip lining. Oh. Where's the 50,000 is £2. £12 to go see a view. Cheeky
View, or is this just for the zip line?
there's a view.
Okay. Do that.
That's 20.
I'm literally going to be there for literally
I
10 seconds.
The view entrance fee is 30,000 kips. So it's about $1.50.
Huh? Is
It's probably
it?
about a pound.
Is it?
Yeah, 20,000 kip is about
Oh
a
yeah,
US
sorry.
dollar.
I've read it as 300,000.
That'll be different.
No, it's sorry, yeah. It's
Not much.
literally less than a pound.
Yeah.
It's a pound.
You can swing it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look at that. You got lots of loot.
I'm a millionaire. Yeah. Yeah, actually. There you go. Messy. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, sorry, it's not 12 quid. It's 30,000 kip, which is about £1 something. So it's not bad. Not bad. In Thailand it'll probably be about £10. Just to see a view. So yeah. Anyway. More steps. More steps. Even more steps. Even more steps. King of the world. King of the world, boys. King of the world. See a view and then straight back down. I see, yeah, so it's gonna take, it'll be fast this time, probably be about 5 minutes. So yeah, a lot easier than going up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bizzle. Yeah, thing is I'm really hot, so I might get in. Because the thing is I've got no towel, so I have to air dry. So I can go in for 10 minutes and then come back out and then air dry, and then I'll air dry in half an hour, and then I don't care if I wet the seat. Game's the game. Time lapse of my journey down. Like, this place is way better than the other one. Even though you have to pay for this one, I didn't have to pay for the other one. But yeah, way better. Oh my god. So I just had to get a cheeky thumbnail. Like the typical YouTuber. Oh no! But yeah, look at it, man, it's so clear. so clear. Look. These are slow coaches. Actually, I'm not going anywhere. Oh my god. Mate, it's absolutely nuts. I'm so glad that I've done this. I can say I've been to the waterfalls in Laos, in LUANG PRABANG. So glad I was here. Now look at it. I can't show you that because there's a little kid naked. Yeah, and I'm not on, so I'm just gonna go this way. But yeah, thing is though, like it felt a bit rushed. Like I've done everything. I've been in, I've took the pictures, I went to the viewpoint, but it just felt a bit rushed because he only gave us an hour, and he kept on yapping. Every like 5 and waiting for people to catch up. Every like 2 minutes. Like mate, just get there, and then wait until we all get there. Like it's not hard. But yeah. So I think there's one more thing. I think we're going to like a village place. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. We'll see what's chilling around there, and then back to the hostel and have a shower, just chill, get a beer, probably edit some videos. That's literally my life, like see new places and then edit. Is this the way out? Anyone know? I think it's the way out. But yeah, edit. So yeah boys, I'll see you probably at the village if we go to the village, or if not, I'll see you back at the hostel. United! So he's saying this waterfall is I don't know why we came all the way here. Yeah, people died in it every year. Yeah, I don't know why. That's what it's basically saying.
This is great banter. It really is.
Sorry, I just saw random people. I just want to waffle to myself. But yeah, by the way, a little bit of a mentally thing. I definitely get panic attacks when I get hungover. Like it's nuts. Like, and that's why you shouldn't drink, because the amount of panic attacks I get is so bad, and sometimes one day it's going to be too much. So yeah, got about 14 minutes just to chill, and then yeah, until we get back on the bus. Doggy. Yeah.
Is this the tribe with the long neck?
No. I saw one in Pi. I went by myself on a bike, and I was the only one there, and it scared the living daylight out of me. Yeah. It was just so weird. It's just like
Said you come to join us.
it's like a place you get murdered.
Come to join us.
Yeah.
Pot.
Oh no.
Come in the pot.
What?
Got me.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, work for me though, that's the only thing.
In Laos, there are about 8 million people. Laos is a small country, but it's very diverse. In Laos, there are 50 ethnic groups. The language is different. We don't understand each other. So right now, the education in Laos is mandatory. It's compulsory. Everybody must go to school. So if we speak with the young people, they can understand, right? But if we speak with the elderly people who didn't go to school, it's difficult to understand. Right?
Yeah, just literally. Well, not literally. Like a couple of hours ago, I got back to the hostel. Literally just been chilling, and just had a shower, played a bit of darts, had a beer, and just had a burger. So yeah, this can be end for today. Hope you liked it. Like I don't know what I filmed, so hopefully the edit it was good. Yeah, the waterfalls were amazing. Like so glad I did them. Even the caves were alright, but caves are caves. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed, leave that like button, smash the subscribe button. I think that's the very other way around. Alright. Yeah, stay positive and stay united. We'll see you tomorrow.